Hey, beautiful babes. Sweet Angel. Welcome in to Sugar Fingers. Sugar Fingers, baby. We are here today. And I think this is the first time I have ever come on here and I've just accumulated a lot of stuff. Well, it's not really a lot of stuff. It's just some big boxes that I got to get out of the way. But I just want to show you some things that I've picked up, that I plan on reviewing, that I plan on talking about. Okay, so let me clear off my little counter here and let's get started because today's a fun day and I hope you're doing good. If you're doing good, drop a like on the video, drop me some hearts down in the comments and introduce yourself and tell me how you're doing, okay? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So we're gonna go ahead and get started so I don't hold y'all up. Listen, since this is gonna be a little fun, when I like to have a little fun, my husband buys these wines from Aldi and I can't think of the name of it. I will pop it on the screen if I remember to do that. But this is a mango wine. Yeah, something like that. But it's mango and it's good. Ooh. Ooh. That's good. That's better than mango, baby. Anywho, let me just stop acting silly. It is late on a Saturday evening, and this is what I'm about to do. I'm about to show y'all some things I picked up. Now, these two came in a package together. I ordered these from Amazon, and you may have already seen this one before. This is hyaluronic acid. This is a moisturizing gel mask. And I love these when I'm doing my facials. Oops, this one is not even open. Do I have one open? Well, this is one I'm using. This is what it looks like here. It's a gel mask. And they're smell good and I love them. They're just a light mask. This one is great for fine lines and wrinkles. And I have another one which is the collagen one. And it is an anti-aging gel mask and it's great for dry, irritated skin with plumping collagen. So it's a collagen mask, and I have the hyaluronic acid mask, and these are available on Amazon. Y'all know what to do. Y'all already know the deal. You know the drill because your girl is an Amazon affiliate. And you shop my links. I do earn a small commission, and I know you don't mind supporting the channel. You don't mind. If you do, why are you here? You know I gotta work, girl. You know I gotta work. I just can't be on here for the free. Anyway, those are nice. And listen, I'm super excited. I love getting new things, but I also like working too. So I do have a sponsorship that's going to be over there on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Y'all know I got a whole lot of channels. Sweet Angel Live, Sugar Fingers right here, Beauty by Sweet Angel, and also behind the scenes with Sweet Angel and Mike. But you know, on Beauty by Sweet Angel, that's where we get into some serious treatments for our skin. And honey, I got a device that I'm super excited to share with y'all over there. So await that. Once that video goes live, get on there, check it out. But I do have this new device that I am using. Loving it. It is the Mommy Hot and Cold Facial Massager. And it is so cute, y'all. It is so sleek. It is so nice. I have it right here because I used it the last, of course, few nights. And I love it. It's so pretty. But wow. Y'all check it out. Super nice device. Just wanted to share that with y'all. The full review will be over there on Beauty by Sweet Angel. So let me get into some of these boxes down here. And y'all know when Amazon delivers stuff now, I mean, I don't know why they'd be wasting all these big old boxes, but sometimes I'll be like, throw it in a bag and keep it pushing. But anyway, I ordered some more contact paper, or I don't know, what do you call this paper? It's called, I don't know. That's what it's called. I don't know if they call it contact paper or not, but I'm actually going to use this marble print on my countertop here. I have a white one here, but I hate the way it reflects when I'm like showing off products and things like that. So I'm actually going to switch it out to this one. This is what that is. And I can get rid of this box, okay? One down, we're moving right along. And this big old box right here, Lord, from Sephora. Not, what, 2 things are in here, y'all. One of them is a stocking stuffer for Mattie, which I'm gonna open it up. Because if she sees it, she's not going to want it to be stuffed in no stocking anyway. She's not going to want it in the stocking. She's going to want it now. That's my girl. That's how she does. But I thought these were so cute. Oh my gosh, I broke it. These are so cute. It's like a tree ornament almost, but it's little scrunchies in here. And you know, she's been rocking her braids. So I thought this was really cute for her. And then, like I said, 2 little things in this big old box. And then for me, I got something from the Fenty Beauty line here. Let's see. Oh, that is pretty. This is their Heat lip gloss. What do they call it officially? Because I'll make up a name for stuff. You know what I'm saying? Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat. And I got the color of Fenty Glow Heat. Let me just swatch it on. Can I use y'all as a mirror? Do I have a mirror anywhere? I don't have one close by. But this is supposed to be kind of like a lip plumper. And I'm just putting it on top of my lipstick. We're going to see if that plumps the lips though, okay? But this is what it looks like. Cute packaging as always with Fenty. And let's see if my lips start tingling or something. I don't know. But I'll sit this over here. Because, well, I'll sit it right here. Nobody's going to be in here taking my stuff. Nobody. The next box, I have another sponsorship. Thank God for the sponsorships, y'all. Your girl is working. She booked and busy, and I'm happy about that. Super happy. And this is my folks from Dossier. This will also be a mention over there on Beauty by Sweet Angel. But I just wanted to share with y'all, if I could, some of the fragrances I have over here, just as a mention quickly. I got 6 perfumes. I'll be probably showing off 2 of them a month to share with y'all. I have the Fruity Honey, which is inspired by J. Malone Nectarine Blossom and Honey Cologne. Is this for a man? I don't know. It says cologne. But of course, you know, the packaging on Dossier looks like this. And I have 5 more to go. Let's just talk about them. Let's talk about them. I'm super excited about this. I wish the names was on the box so I could really... Yeah, it's got the name on the box, but it doesn't have the fragrance that it's inspired by. So that's where I get confused at. That's what I want to know. And the next one is... I love these fragrances from Dossier. They're amazing. Floriental Marshmallow. And it is inspired by Killian. Or Killian. Is it Killian? Inspired by Killian. Love Don't Be Shy. Eau de Parfum. That's that one. Oh yeah. Oh, my Dossier shelves. My little shelf that I have. It's going to be on full. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is just all the names of them here. The next one. This one is Aquatic Coconut. This is inspired by Maison, and I'm going to butcher this name, Margiela. Maison Margiela. It's the Replica Beach Walk Eau de Toilette. And that's it there. I'm not going to sniff them. I want to do that in my try on kind of thing. And I can't just sniff them all at the same time because I don't have my coffee in front of me. So I'll be just like, the scents would be so distorted if I do that now. All right, come on, let's see how you open up. And the 4th scent I have is Floral Rhubarb, which is inspired by Marc Jacobs Perfect. You know what? I do want to sniff this one though. I really do. Woo! I like it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, y'all. This is so wonderful. Wonderful. And the 5th scent, got 6 different fragrances, y'all. Who does that? Who can do that? My lips are tingling now. Who can do that other than getting your fragrances from Dossier? Because these would be $200-300 fragrances. I can't do that. I got Floral Pink Pepper, which is inspired by Dior. Miss Dior Cherie Eau de Parfum, the 2017 version. Yes, there it is. And next and finally, so excited, we have the Fruity Neroli. This is inspired by Giorgio Armani's My Way Eau de Parfum, and this is it. So I can't wait to smell all of these because I do not have these in the actual fragrances. So Dossier, if you know anything about them, their fragrances are, I mean, on point. They are on point. Even from people I know on YouTube that have talked about original fragrances that they have and the inspired fragrance by Dossier, they say that they are on point. And I don't rock like that because I don't have them kind of coins to be buying all those high dollar fragrances. So I'm just happy to get my Dossier for the most part. And love it. I love it. All right, let me move some of this out of the way. And the final box. Y'all are going to love this one because you might have something in there if you win one of my giveaways. Okay. Avon. It's been a minute since we did Avon. Oh my gosh, I can't sit this box. I gotta put it over here. Sippy sip time. Drink up, y'all. Okay. I really didn't get much from Avon. They just gave me a big old box for no reason. For no reason, honey. Just got a little something something for myself. And some little giveaway goodies. So these things were on sale here. These are the hand cleansing wipes. I just got these because you can never get enough of anything. Okay, just hand sanitizers and all of that. I needed that. Oh, I needed this so much. Y'all know I use this every single day. The Anew Vital. This is the day lotion with the SPF of 25. And then I got a little travel size of the cream moisturizer kind of deal. Avon Anew Vital Day Cream. And it has an SPF of 25 in it. So these are the same brand from Avon Anew Vital, but this one is a lotion and this one is the cream style here. And then I got the Dr. Groot scalp massager. I needed another one of these, and I hope this one works as good as the one that I got from from Amazon. But this is Dr. Groot's, and that's so cute. Great. I love that for washing my hair. Really has helped stimulate growth in my hair. Y'all know I'm on my hair growth journey. I'm going to go a little longer and see where it's going to go, but we don't know yet, but we're going to find out. So hopefully we in business, okay? And then I have my samples. I just have samples and books is all that's left. So these are for my holiday giveaways and just different good little things I love to use. Sample packs of, you try it out, and hey, if you love it, if I have more, I'll always include them in my giveaways. And if you love it, shop my Avon store. And I hope I've been saying Avon because I'm hooked on Amazon too, you know what I'm saying? So I have several of these, which I didn't think I ordered that many of these. I hope they're the same thing, so they must have been going through some changes because I know I ordered a variety of different kinds, but we're not gonna worry about it. We're just gonna give it away and be happy. But that's actually it, y'all. Super cool little haul, and some things I love, some things I wanted, and some things I'm gonna get paid to review, which I love anyway, which is fragrances. We always want to smell good. But that is it, y'all. I'm out of here. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me on Sugar Fingers. As always, I appreciate you all so much. We're on our way to 4,000 subscribers over here. I'm super excited about that. We're going to do some giveaways over here because I got nail stuff galore that I wanted to share with some of my beautiful babes. If you love gel polish, gel nail polish, all of that, put in the comments hashtag gel nail polish and let me know that you would love to be part of a giveaway that I will have coming up sometime this month. I know the month is about to run out, but your girl gonna get to it. You know I will. So let me know, hashtag gel nail polish in the comments. Let me know. And we're going to do that, okay? But I'm out of here, y'all. Thanks again. Like, comment, and subscribe. And please, always keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. See you soon, and happy holidays. Bye.